when news is happening
We do have
now.
some breaking news this morning on Eyewitness News. Hurricane Sally made landfall on the Gulf Coast overnight.
Turn to Channel 9 Eyewitness News this morning.
The area has been dealing with incredibly strong winds and heavy rain now for hours.
It strengthened, winds 100 to about 105.
Giving you up-to-the-minute alternate routes.
Traffic, a slowdown because a right-hand lane is blocked for a crash right near Innovation Way.
Watch Channel 9 Eyewitness News this morning, live weekdays starting at 4:30 a.m.